Hi, I'm hearing that you will be going through a major level up in your life, and this is a message that is related to your growth. You might have gone through a phase where you were like hit the rock bottom. There were some people who you might have trusted, and they did not really live up to your expectations, or rather expected you to fail badly. And actually, there was a group of people celebrating and waiting for your downfall actually, and they had an idea, a version of you, the older version of you, which was somebody who would not really be performing absolutely in according to their abilities, and the person that they were expecting to see is someone who will be financially struggling, or will be having issues going on with different aspects of their life. So that was the plan. I see some women, there are like three women out there who were really strongly plotting against you and have been expecting you to fail badly, and they are pretty well to do. They think of themselves as someone who has high intuition, someone who is maybe a mother figure. There can be somebody related to I see mother wounds probably is also, I'm channeling mother wounds also probably be there. Maybe you have certain issues unresolved with your mother, and like the relationship that you have is complicated with some kind of mother figure. I cannot exactly say if it's your own mother or a mother-in-law or it's someone related to your mother's side, but yeah, that person, I mean, these people, these women, did not want to see you grow. And what would trigger them is the kind of light that you have in your life, because I see you are someone who is a light being, and you radiate love and you radiate kindness. And because of a partner in your life, somebody who is very loving, someone who has really entered into your life. If he has entered, that's great. If he has not entered, then it will be a partner who will enter into your life and who will really be the reason for because of whom you'll be able to move out of that stress life and that unstable life, or the life where you were always pressurized or under too much of limitations and burdens, where you could not really be your optimum self or be who you were actually meant to be. Because I see you were born on earth to meet a particular purpose, and you can definitely be having a lot of angels and spirit guides who are actually guiding you throughout the process. So maybe you are a very kind person, but your spirit guides are not so kind, okay? Like, they are kind, but they are not as sweet as you are. So they're always very protecting you, and they're very protective about you. So anybody who messes up with you is something that it doesn't really affect you very badly as much as it should, because I see a lot of people might have wanted to take away their support, or take away their their support for you, probably to do things. So expecting that you will not be able to survive after that. They were expecting that you will be stuck, and you will not be able to move ahead, and you will not find a way, because without their support you will not be anything. But I see the universe has different plans for you, because you have been a very kind soul, because you have been doing a lot of good karma, and because of the fact that you have been always very kind and very sweet and a gentle soul, which is why universe is giving you this new opportunity. Maybe it will come as a business idea or something happening in your life where you are going to be experiencing new beginnings. So there is a huge shift that is happening. I hear timeline shift. I hear you're going towards a lot of greenery, a lot of new establishments in your life, and this is very well deserved, and you will shine as the star that you are meant to be. Okay, because see, since you were born, maybe you have always felt that you do not really fit in all the groups, and you are not the person who is like others. And you might have had a lot of people to hang out with, but you might not be like really connecting with people at a very deep sense. So you always had that different element about you, which was because of the fact that your soul is very pure, and your soul has a purpose on earth, and that is to guide people, and that is to share, and that is to become that best self that has that can show people how you have come out of so many unspoken about battles, so much of darkness, and still your light has been preserved and you have not fallen, and you have made sure that you keep your smile and you keep that essence inside you, and you've always had faith and belief on in the universe, and the universe is going to cuddle you like a little baby, and you will be taken care of very well because of the good karmas that you've always had, and the promised blessings that was meant to have, what that was meant for you, will definitely be coming towards you. A loving family, a beautiful home, children, husband, or like a good partnership wherein you are very blessed. So you can mark my words, the things that I'm saying right now, it will soon be manifesting in your life. If you are connecting with my message, then please write I claim, so that there is an energy exchange. See, without energy exchange nothing happens. Universe is like a boomerang, you give and then you receive back, right? So the more you will give, the more you will receive. So please share your energy here with the like and with a comment of I claim this positive energy, and also share it with someone who needs this positive energy, because the more you share something good, something positive, the more it comes back to you. So when you will share it with anybody who will be listening to this video, their life will also definitely change. I see you are moving towards like a new entrepreneurial journey, a new a life where you are going to be really busy. You will be doing and creating things, and see confirmation tick 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 tick, so which is going to be really very amazing, because you will be taking a lot of business trips. I'm hearing traveling across the globe and going to new places. I see something related to your pets, so please do take good care of your pets. The more you take care of your pets, whether it's a dog or a cat or whichever pet you have, it really brings a lot of blessings back to you. So very carefreely you will be able to move ahead in life, and this is manifesting for you the Two of Cups. So the Two of Cups is definitely showing me that, you know, the partnership that you've always longed for, that deep emotional level bonding, the companionship on a physical, emotional and a spiritual level, that is something that you'll be manifesting. And if you are married and you've had a relationship with someone for a long time, or if you are thinking of getting into a relationship with someone, you'll experience some really deep level soul bonding, which is going to be so beautiful, and you are being asked to let go of all the fears. So anything that can hold you back right now, it's the fear of change. See, what happens in humans are like, whenever you have to make a leap or a shift towards your dream reality, there's a version inside of you which is comfortable with the old self, which is comfortable with the old problems and the stress and the worries, the limiting beliefs that you have. You really need to let go of all of that, so that you can step into the future, because sometimes staying in the present becomes just very convenient for you, because that's what the brain asks you. So but do not go with the mind space only. You should connect with your heart space, because the energy that your heart radiates, the feelings that you feel, are much more powerful than your brain. So between your heart and your brain, please choose your heart, because your body will tell you what you should be actually doing. So if your mind is projecting fears, if your mind is projecting a kind of connection, trying to hold on to some connection which is not really good for you, trying to hold on to a situation that is blocking you, trying to hold on to the older belief system that is stopping you, then you are asked to let that go, and you are asked to free yourself from any kind of baggage, any kind of thing that is holding you down. Because see, that will be a little fearful in the beginning, but you'll have to trust the process of universe. And see, the Queen of Pentacles definitely confirms it, that only when you let that go, you are going to be stepping into so much success. See, here the woman is creating something, and she is so engrossed into that, and she is the Queen of Pentacles. She is nurturing, she is capable, she is creative. So let your creative juices flow, but for that you'll have to let go of all the emotional baggages, all of the things that was not serving you, and move forward. Only then you will be able to level up. Okay, and I hope that you see this clearly and you understand, and choose love and spread love. That is one of the most important things. And show up in the world, show up with your message, show up with your what you believe in, speak more, create something if you want to create something. Do not let anything hold you back, and this is a message for you. I hope you connected with it, and please subscribe to my channel. My name is Angelica, and I have given tarot card readings to lots and lots of people, mean with a lot of reviews. I'm very very grateful to connect with the people who come to me for their personal readings. So if you want to connect for a personal reading, you can drop your message down here. And I this is absolutely free what I'm sharing here, because it's my soul's calling. So I'll be very very grateful to you if you can follow me on my Instagram page also, which is the Starlay. And the Starlay is an intuitive tarot app which will be coming up soon, where you can go and ask your any questions related to your love life, your career, your work life, any kind of dream interpretations you want to know, anything you want to know. It will be just there for you to understand you and be your companion. So this has been developed after lots and lots of years of experience into this field by experts into this field, after after talking to a lot of experts and having a lot of understanding about the different problems people face time to time. So that will be a place where you will be able to share and your emotional questions and your emotional thoughts, and also get the feedback and help and guidance on what to do next. Okay, so I hope and pray that you are happy and you stay guided towards the right alignment, and choose what is the best for your soul, and be happy and share lots of love and happiness. Bye.